Hello everyone, I'm Purushottam from Bengaluru, Karnataka. I'm 22-year-old and I'm a BBA graduate with HR specialization and I worked as an HR professional for a while. Then I took break from work. So currently I'm planning for further studies. So during this break time, the COVID-19, the pandemic situation was in force. Due to this, the lockdown was implemented. I was staying indoors all the day doing nothing, jobless and doing nothing productive, especially regarding my fitness journey. One fine day, I kickstarted my fitness journey because it was the right time to use the lockdown situation, and it was a night time for me. Why I'm mentioning night time? Because I was 101.1 kilograms way back in May 2020, couple of months back when I started my fitness journey. So I started with my own plan, which was not well structured as well as which was not aligned with my body conditions. With less knowledge or what knowledge I got, I could achieve a goal where I reached 99.15 kilograms from 101.1. So there was no proper plan. The diet which I followed was homemade diet and homemade food and cardio session where I was not consistent and I was not able to get the desired results because it took almost 4 weeks to lose 1.9 kilograms. So I thought I should get proper guidance and then coaching for this, because without a proper guidance, I thought I could not achieve this, because this is a time where I can't go to the gym or afford a personal trainer. So I thought I should search for a fitness trainer or an online trainer. So I started looking for an online trainer across different platforms like Instagram profiles, fitness profiles, as well as websites and their dedicated applications. But the approach and the estimation what I had was not met, because I was looking for an affordable plan and the long duration of the plan. So what I got connected with different trainers. So they didn't meet my expectations, and some of the trainers didn't give the testimonials or put across their plan very detailed manner, or to get to know the information what they can provide me, and that they can give the assurance that I can bear the results at end of the day of transformation. Affordability was my main criteria looking for a trainer, and as well as the duration of the plan, assurance that they can give with their clients, their past works.